Yeah, this is exclusive right here by my man DJ Thug Life.
Bad boy killers.
Put your hands around his neck and demand your respect. We
Fuck
screaming.
them all. Fuck all you motherfuckers.
We out
Hey, yo,
all
Biggie,
hoes, dog. We run
put
the
your hands
whole
up.
dog. Fuck
Yo,
them
I
all.
can make it happen, my rapping is similar to motherfuckers when they scrapping. Blast and watch them back, I'm notorious Biggie killer. Affiliation with Death Row. Niggas get their cap peeled back, food is the West Coast. Bitch, you misdemeanor, I'm raising hell like felonies. Mr. Machiavelli straight out of jail, selling needs. Intoxicated, we duplicated but never faded. Now that we made it, my adversaries is player hating. Got a Mercedes for the tricks that thought I quit, then got a drop top jag. For these bitches that's on my dick, go to club in the pack. I'm smoking bud in the back, I'm waiting for niggas to trip, cause bitch I love to scrap. Mama raised me as a thug nigga, with a love niggas, I'm a millionaire, started as a drug dealer. I went from rocks to Z's, writing raps and movies. I went from trust to these tricks, now they all wanna sue me, so fuck them all.
Put your hands around his neck and demand your respect. We
Fuck
screaming.
them all.
We outlaw hard dog. We run
Now
the
could
whole
you
dog.
picture my
Fuck them
criminal
all.
status at its fucking peak? Even the baddest be getting murdered in they seats. I'm addicted to these streets, like crackers to these creeps. Seeing visions of a prison, wake up screaming in my sleep. Is there a heaven in this hell? A possibility of living well. But if they killing me, I'll get my stripes and who's the tell? Choosing to sell, I'd rather die and be deceased. World mob figure, addicted to these fucking streets.
Now put your motherfucking hands up if you's a rider. Niggas ain't killers, so they hide and ride. Fuck them all, touch them all, that's the way that we do it. Ride up, hop the fuck out, watch that bitch nigga lose it. Man, I'm as cold as this game. Y'all be knowing my name. A young, high, strong thug nigga created by pain. Living my life in the fast lane, can fuck about the past. Got my mind on my cash and my next piece of ass, so fuck them all.